Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off the earbuds and removing them from the case. Don't skip this. Once done, pry open the shell carefully using a plastic tool while watching for ribbon cables under clips. You'll unscrew 3 tiny Phillips screws per bud, keep parts organized, and note connector orientation. Make sure to measure the stock cell. Typical WF-1000XM4 cells are ~3. 7V and small pouch cells. You're ready to access the battery pack and prepare for desoldering. You now desolder the battery tabs, apply heat briefly and lift the tabs with tweezers. Patience prevents lifted pads. Once the old cell is free, clean pads with flux and solder wick, then test continuity. Fit the new 7V pouch cell in the cavity. Make sure polarity matches marked pads. Solder with short bursts, cooling between joints, then secure the cell with low-profile adhesive to avoid pinching. Make sure cables follow original routing so the shell closes cleanly. You're closing up. Reconnect all flex cables and confirm connectors click into place, then reassemble screws in reverse order, avoiding over-tightening. Once sealed, charge the earbuds for 30 to 60 minutes and pair them to ensure the system recognizes the new cells. This also lets internal charging circuits settle. Make sure indicators behave normally during charging. If everything looks good, run an audio test at low volume to verify both channels. Troubleshooting tip. If a bud fails, immediately reopen and inspect solder joints and connector seating. Often a loose ribbon or cold joint is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.